Good morning to all. Today our chapter is factorization, that is using a cube plus b cube formula and a cube minus b cube formula, that is sum and difference of two cube. Exercise 4D from the book Innovative Mathematics. Last class I have completed 1 to 14 tak already completed, and today I am just going to start question number 15. Few question left. Question number 15 is given x minus 1 whole cube plus 2x plus 1 whole cube. Just see question number 15. Question number 15 is given x minus 1 का whole cube plus 2x plus 1 का whole cube. Here a is x minus 1, b is 2x plus 1. Using the formula a cube plus b cubes, sum of two cube. The formula is what? A plus b, that is x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1. That is a plus b whole into a square. A square means here x minus 1 का whole square minus ab, x minus 1 whole into 2x plus 1, then plus 2x plus 1 का whole square. Just you have to simplify now. Now just to see x plus 2x, it is how much? 3x. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, only 3x left. Here x minus 1 whole square formula is x square minus 2x plus 1, and here you have to open the bracket, x into 2x, that is 2x square, सामने minus, that is minus 2x square minus x plus 2x. Just you have to open the bracket, you have to careful for minus sign here, then minus 1 is plus into 1 plus 1. Next 2x plus 1 whole square, that is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Now you see plus 2x minus 2x cancel out, then 4x square plus x, that is 5x square, 5x square minus 2x square, coming how much? 3x square. 3x square, then plus 4x, and here minus x, that is plus 3x. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel out, plus 1 plus 1 plus, that is plus 3. Here you can take 3 common. If I take 3 common, that will be 3 3 is 9 x whole into x square plus x plus 1. This is the answer of number 15. Let's go to the number 16. See question number 16, it is given x plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube. Means here you have to apply a cube minus b cube formula, difference of two cube. Just to see the formula. See, if I open this bracket, this x and minus x cancel, y plus y to be 2y. Then break x plus y ka whole square, x square plus 2xy plus y square. Again plus x plus y into x minus y, that is x square minus y square plus x minus y ka whole square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now see, plus 2xy minus 2xy cancel out, minus y square plus y square cancel out. What left? X square plus x square plus it is coming 3x square. 2y whole into 3x square, and here only plus y square. This is the answer of number 16. Question number 17, it is given x cube minus 27 whole into x plus y ka whole cube. 27 means 3 ka whole cube. Just take 3 inside, 3 whole into x plus y ka whole cube. Now taking 3 inside, this will be 3x plus 3y whole cube. Means you have to apply difference of two cube. The formula is a minus b, that is x whole into 3x plus 3y, a minus b whole into a square, means x ka whole square plus ab, x whole into 3x plus 3y plus 3x plus 3y ka whole square, 3y ka whole square. Means you have to apply here a cube minus b cube formula, difference of two cube, x minus 3x plus 3 bracket, you have to keep the bracket, then whole into a square, means here x square plus ab, x into 3x plus 3y plus 3x plus 3y ka whole square. Now if you simplify here, if you open the bracket, x minus 3x, this will be minus 2x and minus 3y, minus 2x minus 3y. Okay, just to see. The answer will be minus x minus a minus 2x minus 3y minus 2x minus 2x minus 3y. Again second bracket, this is x square plus 3x square plus 3xy plus 3xy plus 3x plus 3y whole square means 9x square plus 9y square plus this here 9 2ab 9 to 18 18xy. Okay, and now you see you can take here minus common, minus take outside 2x plus 3y, just taking minus common, and this is x square plus 3x coming 4x square, 4x square plus 9x square, 4x square plus 9 plus 4 13x square, then 3xy plus 18xy, that is coming plus 21xy. Next 9y square plus 9y square. This is the answer of number 17. Question number 18, we see what is given. Question number 18 is given that, very carefully follow here, a cube minus 8 whole into a minus b ka whole cube. This is a ka whole cube minus take 2 inside, 2 whole into, means 2 if you 2 multiplied, this will 2a minus 2b. Directly I will, because 8 means 2 ka whole cube, taking 2 inside, this is 2a minus 2b ka whole. You have to apply here difference of 2 cube. The formula is a minus, you have to keep the bracket here, a minus b whole into a square, a ka whole square plus ab, a whole into 2a minus 2b plus 2a minus 2b ka whole square, 2a minus 2b ka whole square. Okay. Now if I open this bracket, this will be plus 2b, right? Plus 2b first. A minus 2a means minus a. This is a ka whole square plus 2a square, just opening the bracket, minus 2ab, 2a plus 2a minus 2b ka whole square is 4a square plus 4b square minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8ab. Now finally you are getting how much? 2b minus a whole into a square plus 2a, 3a square plus 4a square, 3a square plus 7a square, 7a square minus 2ab minus 8ab, that is minus 10ab, then plus 4b square. Okay, this is the answer of number 18. Question number 19, it is given x minus 2y ka whole cube plus 8 cube, 8y cube, sorry, 8y cube. That means this is x minus 2y ka whole cube plus 2y ka whole cube. Means you have to apply sum of 2 cube. The formula is x minus 2y, then plus 2y. Keep bracket here. Then x minus 2y ka whole square, a square minus ab, x minus 2y into 2y plus 2y ka whole square. Now you just simplify, minus 2y plus 2y cancel, x left, 4 into x minus 2y ka whole square, that is x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. If I open the bracket, this will be minus 2xy plus 4y square. Here x square plus 4y square plus 4y square, again 4y square. How much coming? 4 4 is 8, 8 plus 4, 12y square. And here minus 4xy minus 12, that means minus 6xy. Minus 6xy and 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12y square. 12y square. In this question number 19 also complete. Last question left, that is question number 20. The last question, that is question number 20 of exercise 4D. A plus b ka whole cube minus 8b question given. This is a plus b ka whole cube. 8b cube means 2b ka whole cube. So this is a plus b minus 2b as per formula difference of 2 cube. A minus b whole into a square, that is a plus b ka whole square plus ab. A plus b into 2b plus 2b ka whole square. Finally getting how much? Plus b minus 2b means a minus b whole into a plus b ka whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab plus 2b square plus 4b square. So finally you are getting how much? A minus b whole into a square whole square plus 2ab plus 2, that is plus 4ab. 4ab plus b square plus 2b square plus 4b square. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 b square. So what is the answer? Answer is a minus b whole into a square plus 4ab plus 7b square. This is the answer of number 20. In this way this exercise fully completed. Thank you for today class. Next day I'll do new chapter.